Welcome to this Git tutorial on Merge versus Rebase. Let's start by setting up a practice repository. We'll create a new directory called Git Visual Drill and navigate into it. Now we initialize a Git repository on the main branch with git init-b main. Let's make our first commit. We'll create a file called base.txt with some baseline content. Then we stage it with git add. And commit it with the message init root baseline. This gives us a starting point on main. Let's verify with git log one line. Now let's create a feature branch. We'll use git checkout with the -b flag to create and switch to a new branch called feature branch. Switch to a new branch feature branch. Let's verify with git log. Now we add a new file called feature.txt with some feature code. Stage it and commit with the message feed working on feature. Let's check the log. We can see our feature branch has 2 commits. Now let's simulate another engineer pushing work to main. We'll switch back to the main branch. Switch to branch main. Let's check the log on main. We create a file called main_updates.txt with some production patch content. Stage it and commit with the message fix production patch on main. Let's check the log on main again. Now let's see how the branches have diverged. We'll use git log with the --1 line flag for a simple view. But to see the full picture, we'll use the graph flag along with all. This visualizes the forked history, showing how feature branch and main have split apart. Time to practice a merge. We'll switch to the feature branch. Switch to branch feature branch. Let's check the log on feature branch. Now we run git merge main. Git automatically combines the branches using the ORT strategy. Now when we check the log, we can see a new merge commit that connects the 2 branches. That diamond shape in the graph is the merge commit. Let's also check the log on main to confirm. Now let's undo that merge and try rebase instead. We'll use git reset hard to throw away the merge commit and go back to where we were before. Head is now at the feature commit. Let's verify with git log. The merge commit is gone. Now let's run git rebase main. Instead of creating a merge commit, Rebase replays our feature branch commits on top of the latest main. Successfully rebased and updated ref/head/feature branch. Let's check the log on feature branch. We can see the commits are now linear. When we check the log with the graph flag, watch how the graph flattens into a perfectly straight line. No more diamond shape, no more fork. Just a clean, linear history. That's the key difference. Merge preserves the full branch history with a merge commit. Rebase gives you a clean, linear timeline by replaying commits. Use merge for shared branches. Use rebase for local cleanup. That's the core rule to remember.